Good morning guys, in front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and let me show you how to remove Google account from this device. At first open the settings, then find and select users and accounts, and choose the account that you wish to remove. It's over here, sorry. And now all you have to do is tap on remove account. Then confirm that you want to do it. Tap on OK, provide your fingerprint or your password. And that's it. As you can see, it has been removed, and now you can either add another one, you can use your device without any account, or then provide the details for the previous one. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.